Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're old, welcome. So we're gonna be using our spoolie and our blade, our razor blade. So I'm gonna show you how to cut the blade into two. This is it. You cut it, you break it into four, and this will help you in controlling the blade, so you'll be able to handle the blade well. So it looks like this. So you brush your hair up, brush the two sides up, then we start. So now you brush your hair up, then whichever excess you have, you use your blade to cut it out. Just cut it. You can see the way I'm doing. Dividing your blade into two really makes it easy for you to undo your blade. Then under. So what you do now is you brush your hair down, brush it down, then you cut off the excess. Yes, something like this. Whatever excess you have, cut it. Please be careful. The blade is really sharp when you're handling the blade. Be really careful.
To the sea, baby, I never say fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, but you're right and carry me. For I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that was never good.
So you can see the difference. This is what we have. Then we start with the second one. Please be very careful with the blade. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. Click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when new video drops. I film about makeup and then daily tutorial, so just subscribe, guys. So now we are on the second brow, about to finish. So you make So when you're finding it hard to do this, you can raise your eyebrows up. You can see the way I'm doing it. You raise it up to make you, yes, something like this. Yeah. You raise it up so you'll be able to work on the underneath. So we cut off the excess. Yeah, so now you brush down and just trim off the excess. Just to brush down, then you go for the excess you have.
To the sea, baby, I never say fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, but you're right and carry me where I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that what's never good, just like regrets. So I won't go back, oh, what a guy needed to forget the time I lost, moonshine back again.
So guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.